Are we live? We are live. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the YouTube live stream. Yes, Julie is in the house. Bam! Julie is in the house. I always ask Julie, do you want to be in the live stream? She's like, do I need to? I said, no, it's not possible. You don't need to. And when we go live, I'm always, Julie is in the house. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just doing a random live stream again. Maybe talking about some crypto news in the morning, and then you do AMA. So I provide a little bit of education instead of just talking shit every day. But the day starts with coffee. Goeiemorgen, jongske. Coffee first. I find all kinds of cool music, you hear it now, and I'm allowed to play this music because it's epidemic sound, it's right-free music. I'm not doing like requests anymore because it's impossible to have the live streams on with requests because YouTube is banning me. So I'm using epidemic sounds music, which I am paying for every month, and also really cool music of new artists. So beautiful in the morning, quiet. Own strength tension. No, it's just Jim and me together running this place. Jim is, because I'm too busy at the moment and everything, Jim is taking over the responsibility of the Bam Bam Beach Bar. It is his passion, it is his life, it is what he ever wished to do. So Jim is taking control on everything. Julie will be working here, I will be hanging around here, spending bitcoins, receiving bitcoins, and doing meetups and all that stuff. So we took a month to see how we could structure everything. And now we are finding our way, I think, and that always takes time. So it took time, but now we are getting there. So all good. Do we have any cool news? Let me just check the news. Are you Rasta? Yeah, there is also some Rasta music coming up. Yes, and I'm slowly getting more viewers again, so let come in. I will have Julie, of course, a little bit in the picture as well, because that's what you want to see. You don't want to see the ugly dad. You want to see the handsome daughter that has recovered from 2 weeks party. Can you at least tell them how the 2 weeks party was? How was the 2 weeks party, Julie?
It was a lot of fun.
She's still dead.
We drank a lot, too much. We didn't sleep. But Albufeira is a good place, especially if you're young, to go and party. And if you're Dutch, there were only Dutch people, so it's a lot of fun. But now I'm a bit sick.
No, she doesn't have COVID, she has Legionella. You're Rasta from the TBF Discord. Hey, welcome Rasta. He's one of the old members of the Discord. Thank you for being there. Thank you for joining the live. We will just do our stuff, and Julie will do her stuff. I will do my stuff, and we will talk you through some news. And if you have questions, always ask them. Finally, we have a beautiful face on the camera now as well. Of course, I'm still wondering how I could have made such a beautiful thing, but kind of looks like me. Sore throat. Yeah, it's not only the throat, she's like still, it's like a jet lag. 2 weeks of only going to bed at 7 a.m. and waking up in the afternoon. Now you jet lag out of it again. Okay, so we are going to talk a little bit about the news and about the Bitcoin price, of course. And then I will continue the AMA. So I provide some education. It was an idea of James, my solid rock in UK, that is helping me with all the indicators, and also with Didi. You should structurize it a little bit. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay. If I look at the hot stories today, we can see that the historically accurate Bitcoin metric exists. The buy zone is telling us to buy, and that's of course the one I used yesterday already in my video. That's well multiple. Well multiple is telling us to buy Bitcoin. It has told us that 4 times in history, and those 4 times it was accurate. The market is moving a little bit different than the other times, but this is one of the indicators that is telling us, wow, we are there close to be by the bottom, at the bottom. Also very positive that Tether is increasing its supply after a 3-month decline. So 3 months we saw a decline in Tether supply, and now we see an increase of the Tether supply, USDT, which is always positive because mostly when that increases, there comes more volume into the market, and that will also affect the prices. The SEC is charging 11 individuals over a $3 million crypto pyramid scheme. Yes, pyramid scheme. The name of that one was called the Ponzi scheme. It's Forsage platform or something. It was a huge Ponzi scheme, 300 million. 11 people have been now summoned to the court, and they of course will have a shitload of punishment, I think, or not. You never know. Then we have of course another scam, that is the NOMAD token bridge. Okay, they drained 190 million in funds because of a security exploit. People need to understand all these new projects, they have exploits, they have problems. Even, I don't know if it's the new one, is it the real one? I can see, is he here? I didn't see Chris coming in yet. Where is Chris? No, I didn't see Chris coming in. And the one that's chatting there as the Bitcoin family, that is not me. That is a scammer. The one, wait, Bom dia, that one, I will okay, hide the user of this channel, Bom dia, because that was a scammer, guys. That was a scammer. Sorry for that. Oh yeah, the Bitcoin family scammer. Crypto is in the house. Bam bam. Yeah, that's the real one. Hi Chris. Thank you for being there again. And I've lost my thread. I will go with the news again. So 190 million funds. That is exactly, guys, what is the problem. Bitcoin has never had an issue. Ask Chris. Chris is in the house. Chris, did Bitcoin ever have an issue? Never had an issue. All these other tokens, NOMAD, even Ethereum, all of these have blockchains that have been stopped, have been reset, have been retested, have been hacked, exploited. Bitcoin never had that issue, so that is why Bitcoin is still king, guys. Then there's something really cool, because there is a new NFT, nifty news. I think Barcelona first NFT was sold for 700k. 700k, guys, for a Barcelona NFT. Any questions to Julie? Hey, Chris is in the house. Come say hello to Chris. Chris, my daughter wants to say hello to you. Er sagt eben, Chris, siehst du, wie Julie schon geändert ist seit Kopenhagen? Chris is gone. I think now he's gone again. Oh, we have one on the floor, right? Okay. You see, every time when she comes into the picture, more people come in. So that's all cool news, guys, for this morning. I think that's the most hottest news at the moment. There's also some editor choices, but you know, I don't want to talk too much on news. Yes, of course, I'm the chillst dad ever. You have the chillst father ever. Yeah, of course. So yeah, guys, if we look at the Bitcoin price, because I know you're asking me, well, what is the Bitcoin price going to do? So we will check at the Bitcoin price at the moment. Yes, we should get some more likes, guys. Chris is always buying Bitcoin. You know, Chris and me have one same mindset, and it is that we always buy Bitcoin. We do sell sometimes and take some profits, but we sell to buy stuff that we can't buy with Bitcoin yet. But then the rest we buy, we hodl. It's Didi with blonde hair. Yeah, Jolie looks like Didi with blonde hair.
That's
I have more beautiful lips. Look, my lips. If I blow, they are. Guys, Bitcoin at the moment dropped 1.9%. So we are at a level of 22,864. Which still is a very beautiful level, guys. If we look to the left on the chart, we can see that, let me show you, you can see that red line. And that red line is kind of touched many times. We tested that a few times when we came up, you see? We tested it, and now it's being tested again. Is this red line, the 22,800, going to be support? I believe we should be having support. And then if you look at the total pattern of the last couple of days, look, we can see that we slowly are creating higher highs, higher lows. So this is the 4-hour chart, by the way. So for me, I think we are seeing the structure that we mostly see around bottoms in Bitcoin. Again, it's risk reward. Yes, we can drop 20% or 30% or 40%. I don't even care, because the run after will be 700,000, maybe even 2,000%. That's what I'm watching, guys. I will check if we can give one more slowly song instead of this hyped up song. If you look at the day chart, you can see that difference. Also on the day chart, you can see we are slowly moving up, guys. And I think it's very important for Bitcoin to create this bottom and to stay above the 200 weekly moving average. I think.
Bezem, denk ik.
Oh,
Die ligt hiernaast. Ik denk dat dat makkelijk staat. Als je het even vrijmaakt. Met die
checking
harde bezem eroverheen.
why this one is not loading, guys.
Deze.
I'm checking what the problem is at the moment. He wants to do a, remind me later. He wants to do a software update, and that is what we don't need at the moment. So let's go back here, and we get music back. Yes. Do you need jabs to get to Portugal? No, you don't need jabs to get into Portugal. You don't need tests to get into Portugal. You don't need anything else to get in Portugal. You just need a passport. Mostly a passport. Even a passport. I think if you're driving, you don't even need a passport. Well, yeah, the world will go passportless as well in the future. Yeah, back. Music is back. I was checking the prices, guys. And if you look at the daily chart, it looks like we want to, slowly crawl up to these levels that we should be going, guys. And that's exactly what we are doing at the moment. You can see the bottom, it's almost a triple bottom on the daily chart. And now we are moving upwards, higher lows, higher highs. If we don't create another higher high, yes, we can retest at 22K, 20K level again. I'm still not in for the 12K, 16K, 18K that everybody is expecting. That is just not what I'm thinking, guys. And even if it is, again, risk reward. You buy at a 20%, 30% or 40% dip, because you know we will go 100, 200, 300, 500, 600, 700, 800% maybe in the next bull run. Or 1,000, or 2,000, or 3,000. How many percent do you think the next bull run will be? Let me know. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning for all the newcomers. Yes, we have a lot of people coming in again. We are doing a live here from the beach. Julie is here as well. So that was the news for today. That took 13 minutes. So 13 minutes of blockchain news and a few minutes of price news. Now the AMA can start. Whatever you want to ask, or just tell me what you want to say, and I tell it on camera. So something like that. I'm not doing music request anymore, to be very clear, because we need to do music that is not protected by law and rights. I'm gonna sip my coffee. That's something that I expect, James. That could be very happy. That could be really happening indeed, because we can see there is a lot of positivity in the market as well. The news is kind of positive. I read something about Honduras making an illegal tender as well. Oh, by the way, I know you're jealous. I have this one already. Do you know what it is? This is the HODL 3. Plan B Cat HODL 3. I think I'm the first on the world that has this one. It was brought to me by a very special guest. I cannot tell you who it was, but maybe it was Plan B. He brought this beautiful special cap to me. HODL 3, it will go to the market the moment Bitcoin crosses 50K. So if Bitcoin crosses 50K, then this Plan B HODL 3 cap will be available. Morning. So from that moment on, you see, he was checking out my dollar. I need to watch these guys from Portugal. Put your face in the box, Didi, Daddy. Who's your daddy? I'm your father. She needs to get used again to the daddy humor. Shut up. You see? Now they are copying you. They are telling, shut up. What? You talk. Do your job.
I'm better at it
Shut
than
up.
you.
Prove you're better.
They're not asking
Shut up.
anything. Dad,
You need to talk.
no, they need to ask things.
No, okay, you see, I have been talking already for
See,
15
just
minutes.
shut up and look pretty. I'm good at that.
You guys, you see, it's not that easy what I'm doing. I'm talking for 1 hour long. They all think it's easy. I fall asleep at 10 at night. I don't have a life anymore. How was your holiday? They're asking.
I just
Be
told
patient,
them.
but you need to be patient.
I'm working as well.
Yes.
My vacation was amazing. It was really fun with my friends and my sister. We got really drunk. We did crazy things.
And the question was, are you trading?
No, I'm not trading.
Are you hodling?
Yeah, well, I'm not trading.
Hodling is shitload.
Are you letting Didi do it? No.
No.
I'm just hodling.
Hodling, only hodling. And of course, I have one bot for my kids as well. Yeah, and that bot was almost liquidated. It's still in loss, but another bot, spot trading bot, I'm gonna start that one soon for her. So then they will okay, have some extras also. Ah, see you soon, MDX.
Nou, schatje, ga je gang.
Nice to meet you. I am from Canada, but I'm living in South Korea. Who's living? Ah,
Shop erbij.
best way to earn passive income, stake exactly. Ah, you know what is you can stake, but be aware. Staking on these platforms always has a risk. Look at Celsius, what happened? Look at many other platforms, what happened? You can also use Bitcoin as a stake, because Bitcoin itself is already staking. We are making 100% average a year, so that's also staking. Isn't that staking? 100% a year.
Je hebt hem al leeg gegooid, toch?
Hulk Hogan? No, that's not Hulk
Zit er nog
Hogan.
water in je tank?
That's Jim. I think Hulk Hogan just came in.
Hulkamania!
We're selling Hulk Hogan puppets here. Yeah, that's my point. You know, you can stake and take your 10%, 5%, 20% and have the risk of being in the platform that will stop existing or that will, you know, seize your tokens. Bitcoin is a stake. My capital has been growing for 6 years in a row, an average of 80 to 120%, depending on, you know, how much was in Bitcoin.
Voor één keer, hè? En dan hou je het bij, hè?
Which staking platform is giving me that? Nada. Aquaman. Yes. What does Aquaman do? Yes, this.
Al die papieren.
Recession
Ga ik
mindset.
je daar even uitzoeken.
Okay, to be very honest,
En dan kan je
I
boven
don't
een
think
beetje indelen met wat we...
there is anything in the news that we should do, but I think it should be important that you, me, the community, that one needs to get out the recession mindset. Think rich, grow rich, be rich. So fuck the governments, fuck their inflation, fuck everything they do to stop you doing everything, all that stuff, fuck them. Take your money out of the system. That's the most powerful thing that you can do. You take the money out of the system. As long you use their currency, they can control you. Stop using their currency, they cannot control you. I just saw the Dutch farmers. They were protesting in a very peaceful way in the Netherlands. They are struck down by police force really hard. Bats knocking on them, even with their children looking at it. If you stop paying tax and withdraw your money out of the system, how do they earn money? How would they earn money? It's a peaceful revolution. Take the money out of that system and put it in a new system, our system, the Bitcoin system, where you and me decide on life. Then we include anarchism, which means we decide on our lives in a definitely DAO way inside. So for me, that is very important. You should understand, you're paying those bastards. By paying tax, you pay those people to hit those farmers. That's how it is. Sorry, that's how it is. So I would stop paying those taxes, for example, and then start using Bitcoin more and more and more, less fiat, then they lose the power of control because of money, and you win and gain the power on control on the money and life. That's what I think. Maybe a romantic thought. Good morning. Yeah, that was a good morning wake-up call. Binance to trade? No, I did use Binance like a few years ago, 2007, 2008. Now I use Bybit.
Start right away. Yeah?
Use the links down below to Bybit. $4,000 bonus at the moment.
Jolie.
Sponsor of Max Verstappen. Every Dutch person should only use Bybit because they are the sponsor of Max Verstappen. That's the only reason already.
The refrigerator. The refrigerator.
It's not anarchy. Anarchy, there is a peaceful, positive way of anarchy as well. And it means that anarchism is a political idea, politic idea, where people decide on what happens. And we never had the tools for this political idea because anarchy needs to have trust. And we were always using these old-fashioned things like databases on the SQL or Access. And with those databases, you cannot do proposals or voting all over the world in a way that you can trust a system that is not being hacked or manipulated. Now we have the tool. We have the tool of blockchain. We have the tool of Bitcoin. We have the tool to worldwide, anonymous, do proposals, do voting, and we know for sure that nobody can change that database, nobody can hack the database, nobody can do anything with it, and that means we can trust in anarchy. We can trust in positive anarchy, peaceful anarchy, and that's, I think, what we need. Do we need those people to tell us how to live life? Can we just agree ourselves if the rule should be dogs on the beach or no? Do I need a government to tell me that it is not allowed to have a dog on the beach? Or can we do this together on a beautiful solution on the blockchain? And? I don't know. Which I use all music of epidemic sound. If you were starting again with BTC, would you sell your house and go all again? Now, directly. Directly. If I had a house, a holiday house, 3 cars, a motorbike home, the kids' toys, the kids' quads, I would now go all in again. Sell everything. My brother just did. I advised my brother to do so. He sold his house with a shitload of profit because we were in the peak of the housing market. He took the overvalue of the house. He bought himself a camper van. He's driving to Spain now, and the rest he is DCAing into Bitcoin. And in a few years' times, those Bitcoins, they will be a shitload more worth, like in 2023 to 2025. If he keeps 5 Bitcoins left, I think Bitcoin will be 100k. 5 Bitcoins times 100k, that will be 500k in 2023-24. That would be more than the overvalue he ever took out of the house while he lived for 3 years traveling all over Europe with a camper van. That's how you do. Yes, we do own a car now. Because we were arrested, not arrested, we were stopped by the fiscal department of Portugal, and they stopped me because I was driving a Spanish car in Portugal, and I'm registered in Portugal as a resident because of 0% tax on Bitcoin, and I am not allowed to drive a Spanish car, so I need a quick solution. So I went car shopping with my wife Romain, and we bought a very cheap Volkswagen, what was it? GTE. So it's hybrid, electric, and it's GT, it's fast, and it's small because my wife doesn't want to have a big car. So we bought a Volkswagen GTE. It's bear market. We buy small cars. Bull market. We switch to the big cars again. We still have the Land Rover, but I'm gonna unwrap it, make it back to the color of white, and then come with a new idea. Okay? Yes, Julie, you're still here. Of course. Look, since you're here, we have 162 viewers. I normally have 120. So 40 of them just want to see a pretty face and tits. Can I say tits?
You can't say that.
On camera?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm your daughter.
Oh, she's my daughter. Shit, I just realized she's my daughter. Do you ever go to Bali? Yeah. How many? We went there 2 times or 3 times?
3.
3 times. We went to Bali. We loved it. Also on Lombok, and Gili Travangan, Gili Meno, Gili Air. Also Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Singgan, Kuta Beach, Laken Beach, and we were on Seminyak, the largest part of it. We love Bali. We love the Bali food. We love the Bali surf dudes. She loves the Bali surf dudes. I love the food. I love to sit with the old women under the palm trees on Kuta Beach, eat 80 cents. That time it was 80 cents for a package of rice and chicken. I don't know what it is now. You want to go back to Bali?
Yeah.
When? Yeah, we go to Bali tomorrow. See you again in Bali. Now we love Portugal as well. She had a great time. I'm having a great time. We have August family planned. So August will be fully with family. But Bali is still on our back to the bucket list back. And Thailand, I think, still as well. Maak haar niet zo verlegen, joh. Watch because your daughter. See it? They all only watch because you're here. She will never tell how many. I cannot remember to the. Yeah, everyone can become a family member. That's why we have the Discord. We want to have a kick-ass bit. We don't want 2 handsome Bitcoin family members. We want all the world to join the Bitcoin family and monetize it, and by that helping poor people all over the world as well. While we have fun. Yeah. Prachtige dochters, yeah. Yeah. At least one.
Dank je.
The other ones don't come to camera that much anymore. Jessa, I think if you look at Jessa from the last videos we made as a family, she was still a little bit shorter and wider. But now Jessa, she got a groeischeut, so bam, bam, bam. She's now like bigger than Juna. So Jessa is now bigger than Juna, and yeah, I should have Jessa on camera. She's playing with Teddy all the time. Yeah. So now Romain is coming, and so Julie will be in between Romain and me, and you can decide who she looks more like. Maybe even Teddy. Jim is now her slave driver, because Jim is now in control of all the things. So I stepped out. I'm just the investor. I'm just a pretty face, and I'm just managing a little bit. But the rest. Work floor, Jim's. Hitting the all-time high? Which all-time high? Ooit een paar gemaakt.
Nou, die kan je gewoon weer netjes neerzetten.
Ja,
Dat
wit
het
kan je-
gewoon netjes staat, want die gebruiken we weer.
Julie has 2
En
times.
dan
By now.
tafels schoonmaken, paardjes vegen, bla bla bla.
Arbeid.
He's really a slave driver. They are asking if you want to do a Bitcoin test.
Maybe something about Bitcoin, but not like
Oh, je was
not like my dad.
A moon.
Aha.
A moon.
Dankjewel. Is that here?
Look, wait. Romain is there. Check. Romain sits there. Kristen there.
Oh, ik doe mijn bril afzetten.
Yeah. So, who does Julie look like most? Nah, yeah. Julie really needs to work now from Jim. Knows of that. Mama. The beauty of mom. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, fuck you too. Both. Yeah, I think she has the tits of her mom, but the ass of me. I have a full ass.
I hope not so.
Are you a mommy girl or a daddy girl? She's a working girl. At the bar, I mean.
I'll be.
Bom dia.
Bon dia.
Um café para levar. Pode ser?
Espresso or a big one?
Espresso. Zoals je wordt.
Firstborn daughter, always that version. Always that version. Yeah, Berry. We need a 250 viewers, guys, to get a new all-time high. Australian Crypto Convention, 17th of September, Gold Coast. When they invite me and pay my tickets and everything else, I will come. Sounds arrogant, but I got a bit sick and tired of all the, flying and all the things for free, everything to support everything, and they just use your face and your name to get more people in. So yeah, they should invite me and fly me there. I will be there. I will speak. I will do everything. It's not like a lot of money, but they make money, so they need to pay. Be feminist. I don't even know what that means. I'm the best football player. Yeah, there's a foot volley field over there. We can play foot volley. Come here and we play foot volley. Soon. Ciao. The tokenizing will happen soon. But to be very honest, tomorrow morning I'm visiting a very cool project, but I can't tell too much about it yet. But tomorrow I'm gonna visit a very cool project with two very important Dutch people in Portugal. It has to do with living and Bitcoin. And it could be the step that I need to create that beautiful Bitcoin village. So that is going to be awesome. But I don't want to tell you too much because I'm telling too much already. Tomorrow I will be there. I have another meeting tomorrow. If that is all positive, I think you will be amazed of what I have been building in the last 2 months in Portugal. Not only a Bitcoin beach, because there is already now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars accepting Bitcoin, a sailing club accepting Bitcoin, a restaurant is accepting Bitcoin, adventure park is accepting Bitcoin. We of course are accepting Bitcoin. You can do massage for Bitcoin. You can drink for Bitcoin. You can be on the beach for Bitcoin. So this whole beach is called Meia Praia in Lagos. I give it a few years and it will be called Bitcoin Beach Europe. I think the end of next year. Hi Roman, you're saying.
Hello.
Hi. So yes, that's my vision first, make Bitcoin Beach. I think I'm succeeding here because we already have 7 places on this beach that accept Bitcoin. I think there is no other beach in Europe that has 7 places that accept Bitcoin for everything they do. So food, drinks, sunbeds, even jet ski I think, smoothies, massage, adventure, cliff jumping, safari jeep, everything here on the beach. So that's my first goal. Second goal, when I have all of that up and running, I will move into creating that village that I have been promising already for 1.5 years. And that step is very important tomorrow for that. So then it's going to take off really, really hardcore, guys. And that's what I'm doing. And then I think I did my job, and then people should take over a little bit, and then it should be the tokenization of it and have the community do all of that stuff. So that's how we are. How I slowly move upwards to my vision and goals, and that vision should represent how the world should look. So how I decentralize this, tokenize this, DAO this, anonymous proposals and voting in a small place like this, that is the representation of how I think the world should look like. That's why I'm doing it. But let me, I'm just a very small piece of the puzzle in this beautiful crypto world, and I'm just doing my best. But it's not always easy, not with a family. No, the government is not easy. You need to lease a concession, and there is a maximum amount of concessions on the beach. Nobody can come, there cannot be more concessions. So we were very lucky to get these concessions because they are only given away once every 10 years. And we just ran into it with a little bit of luck, and we got it for 1 year now. And when the camera decides we can get an extra, it's 7 years extra. A concession is the right to have beds on the beach with a bar. And when I get the license for 7 years, then I can make the white paper on how to decentralize tokenize it and how the revenue of 7 years can be turned into revenue for the whole community. That's why I'm not doing this without any security behind the duration of being able to stay here. So that's why you need to give me some time. September, October, I think we will get a decision of if we can do this. If not, backup plan. There is the beauty phase again. Yeah. Numbers are going up again. Oh, almost 200. If not, there is a backup plan. But I cannot say anything about that yet because not everyone is part of the backup plan. Yeah, she's behind me. It's a ghost. We have a new lifeguard today. Also a handsome one. We only have a handsome lifeguard, you see? Yeah, it's a big vision, but you need to build step by step, guys. So it always takes time. And I know that the crypto community is not like a patient community that has time. And I know you want to be rich in a minute and billionaire in 2 minutes. And I know you want blockchain villages all over the world. But till now, people are only blah 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 blahing and making a lot of white papers and virtual worlds. I think it becomes time that we really have a physical one that you can come to and visit and step into. And I think I'm very close, this close to creating that. Yeah, this long hairdo with a Plan B cap. Hobble 3. Yeah, it's not there's a side of Bitcoin. The best investment would have been lifeguards, because there's a huge shortage of lifeguards. There is not enough lifeguards, so we only have one guy that's always here, Gonzalo, and the others are always switching because they don't have enough lifeguards. If you want to make money in Portugal now, become a lifeguard. You need to do an exam, 400 meters swimming, coming back, diving, taking a puppet out of the water, keep the nose closed, all that kind of stuff. If you succeed, you can make a lot of money by just sitting on the beach, drinking free coffee, and checking bikinis all day. He's only checking bikinis all day. That's his job, and he makes money with it. Gonzalo, how does it feel to make money for just watching bikinis? People are asking him.
Feeling good, feeling
You
good.
see, he's feeling good.
Best job in the world.
It's the best job in the world. He comes, takes the coffee, goes sit there. Like one time a year somebody drowns, but okay, yeah, then he takes him out. But the rest is just not a bikini. Oh, not a bikini. I love his job. Yeah, that's a great job. But there is a huge shortage of lifeguards. They don't have enough lifeguards at the moment in Portugal, because the exam you need to pass is not that easy. You need to be fit. You can see these guys are fit. Julie cannot be a lifeguard. She should be a Pamela Anderson lifeguard. Or how was the other lifeguard called again in Baywatch Command? Carmen Electra. We should have a Carmen Electra or a Pamela Anderson lifeguard. When will we see 50k? The moment you can get this this cap online, that's when we reach 50k. I'm the only one that has it. The rest of us can only buy it when Bitcoin is 50.
Não, é o hardware, a hardware.
Oh, no, nobody else knows Plan B, so never tell.
É mais físico.
Never. We know Plan B. Would it be a big joke if I was Plan B? Could it be? Could it? Nah, never. Do I have hodl altcoins and stablecoins? Yes, I hodl altcoins and stablecoins. Stablecoins I hodl is USDT, so it's Tether. DAI is also always a stablecoin, and I also use USDC. So I use many stablecoins. Altcoins, of course, I still have Ethereum. I still have my Litecoins because I just love the Litecoin community. I have a lot of other coins as well. Like, of course, I invest hugely in Polkadot, Chainlink, and many others. So yeah, there's a good diversification of stablecoins, altcoins, but king is Bitcoin.
You can stay there.
I do also have a lot of Cult DAO, CULT. The token is cult. Cult. Can you say cult in English? Cult, not cold.
Cold. C-U.
LT.
Yeah, cold.
Cult.
Cold.
A cult.
Yeah, just a cold.
No, the cold is when you're sick.
No, cold.
A cult. Cult DAO. I have a lot of those tokens because I believe they are completely decentralized. But let's see. You know, that's all coins I do for the fun. You know, it's Bitcoin is correct. Yeah, correct. A cup of tea, like a cup of tea, a cult of tea, something like that. Yeah, so all good. But Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is king. Kut. Met een L. Yeah, kut, but then with an L. Yeah, Cult DAO, that one. Yes, I'm massive in Cult DAO. And to be even more honest, but this is a scoop. I'm going to tell you a scoop. Can we get 100 thumbs up? And I'm going to share a scoop with you that nobody knows. This is the first time I will ever disclose what I'm going to tell you now, but I need 100 thumbs up. I won't make a coffee till I get 100 thumbs up.
Kun je of in de tank of in de koffie strand. Kun je of in de tank of in de koffie ding gooien.
Ja, die gewoon strandwater, zeewater.
Zeewater, ja lekker man. Zout koffie.
Do we have 100? Oh, we have 170 thumbs up already. Oh, that went really fast. Okay, I'm gonna. You can imagine Plan B got your energy and way of talking. No, I didn't buy XRP and SIBA. No. It's really a scoop, but it's kind of still a secret as well. But I already said that I would share it, so I need to share it. And I'm not shilling a token by doing this, what I'm saying now, but I'm just sharing that I invested in a huge project that will give me a huge stake in tokens, but they will be given to me in the next couple of years. So I cannot dump the market, to be very clear. Okay? I'm just an investor and I really believe in this project and I have a lot of these tokens. So check the project Apex Exchange. Apex Exchange. The token is called Apex. It's the first decentralized exchange that will allow leverage trading from your own wallet. You don't need to have the bitcoins on someone else's wallet and you can trade with leverage. Apex.exchange. You can buy NFTs. If you buy the NFTs, you get discount on trading and all that stuff. You can buy the token. By staking the token, you get all kinds of thing as well. But this one is going to be huge, in my opinion. It's my personal opinion. That's why I invested in it. Again, I get a shitload of tokens for investing, but I cannot dump the market as it will take me up to a lot of years before I have all the tokens there in my portfolio. But you should really check them before they grow massively. It's apex.exchange. That's a scoop. I've never shared that with anyone. And we are doing a Friday Bam Bam Friday every Friday. So every Friday we have music or a DJ or a live musician. That is what we want to do. The Bam Bam Friday. We want to make the Bam Bam Friday a name in Lagos and area. So everybody just comes on the Friday. Just make a chill DJ day. And then from 2-3 o'clock we start some up-tempo music. And that up-tempo music will be here on the bar, and then it's Bam Bam Friday. Every Friday more people come. It started with 20 to 30, now to 60. It's all Bitcoin and NOMAD families. So they're all visiting us here. Yes, I think that's our thing. Festivals and everything, we are not looking into doing festivals because the licenses are very difficult in Lagos. Portimao is more easy. Here it's a little bit more difficult. But we have some other plans as well, but they will probably be separated from the beach bar. Yes, Michael Phillips, good morning. Yes, I'm still in Apex and Cult massively. I still have my Cardanos. These are tokens I hold for a long time. I don't have any pressure to sell them. Minimalism and Bitcoin is the way to go in the bear market. You just live a minimalistic life, you hodl as much more Bitcoin, and then you get there. Can do so. I believe DEX will, with leverage, will be the next narrative. That's why I'm telling you, Crypto West, DEX with leverage is going to be the next thing in the bull runs, and that's why I invested in, I believe, the biggest DEX with leverage out there, and that is, in my opinion, really Apex.exchange. The links are down below my videos already for some time. I didn't talk about them yet, but we can now see how big it's growing, the volume is growing, the amount of people are growing, and I think the Telegram and the Discord already has 30,000-40,000 people in it now. I love they combine it with NFTs. I love they combine it with staking rewards and all that. So just check that exchange, please do. Use the links down below the video. Yesterday's video, you can find the links to Apex Exchange. Polkadot, what do you like about Polkadot? I think the ecosystem is huge. There's a lot of things being built on the Polkadot chain, so I think they are doing a good job. They fell a little bit still. The first part of the run, they had a massive growth, and now they are all taking a breath. So I think this bear market is falling hard on many new projects. So they need to, become lean again as a company and survive a bear market, and then again grow into the next bull market. That's how all crypto companies are doing it. Apex 100 times or not? I think I watched yesterday at the price. I think it's now at 27 cents. I think it started way lower, at 6 cents or something like that. So I think it's very easy for them to go to a few dollar a piece. That's my opinion. Again, people call me a shitcoiner for this, but I don't care, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just sharing my investments and not pumping and dumping because that's not possible. The tokenomics are amazing. So yes, I keep repeating, Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is making it able to more to be free, but of course, we do some tokens as well. Do you like the music now? It's all music without rights. How do you say this? Without rights? Without, yeah, without rights. So I can play it and use it in the videos and still be able to not be banned. Yeah, 25 cents probably now. Yeah. Just check the price history, but just check the growth of the community. Check the growth and what you need to do at all projects. Check the team behind it. Check the investors behind it. Check which other huge exchanges are involved with it. That's always important for liquidity. And then do always your own research. Check the exchange. Open it and check what they offer. Check the NFTs. Check how they handle the customers, the fees, everything. And then you decide. I've already mentioned Apex for over 3 months now, and I did share with you already 3 months ago that you should be looking into it. The links are already down below my videos for a long time, but now I can share also I did invest in it. You were never worthy. That's what she has one song she always plays when she doesn't feel right with me. It's a Dutch song. The dramatic song of the girl searching about her father.
No.
Which one is it again?
Papa.
Papa
By Jade Law.
by Jade Law. We like that song both, but we cannot play it. YouTube kicks me off. ETH is, you know what I think about ETH? ETH. To be very honest, when I was always telling people to be in Bitcoin, all those people told me Bitcoin is slow. Bitcoin you cannot use as a payment. Bitcoin you cannot build projects on. The fees are too high. Now we see ETH. Too high fees, too slow, not usable as money, nada. So I think Bitcoin is proving that it's usable as payment here every day. People pay with Bitcoin. Uit Meerlo. Meerlo. Papa van Stef Bos? Nee, not van Stef Bos. Not Stef Bos papa. Papa van?
Jade Lauren.
Jade Lauren. Gelukkig lijkt je niet te veel op je papa. Nou, dankjewel. Do I think on other things than Bitcoin? I look at my wife's face and she's already saying sex. So I think on sex and Bitcoin. Two passions. It's all plan B. Maybe I should make a new head, plan S. Yeah, and football sometimes, and the beach sometimes. Yeah. I don't think about many things. Yes, we use Lightning Network. And we use Lightning Network with the help of a Dutch company because I want to support this company as they did a kick-ass job for the Netherlands in Bitcoin adoption. I will show it. We do the payments through this one. If you look at the videos of the last couple of days, you can see that we did a few transactions on camera as well. Even one beautiful lady paid the massage by using Lightning Network. So just check it. You can see that how that she paid in a split of a second for the massage using Lightning Network. I think it was 2 days ago, the video. Yeah, I kind of like the music, but I will have Julie look into epidemic sound as well, and maybe she can help me with getting a little bit more cool music in there. This is like maybe a little bit too quiet. And then we have, of course, I Can't Let You Go. Yeah, way less better. Guys, one of the reasons I made a own token on Ethereum, the family token, is to check how it works. And it not works if it used for payments, because the fees are too high. Not when it's like not that busy on the blockchain, but normally it's the payments are too high. So the family token now, I will use more and more to incentivize people for watching my videos. I will share a QR code, and then you can scan the QR code, you get free family, and the free family you can spend already in my store. So you don't care how much a t-shirt will cost in family, because you got it for free. That's why the family token is existing at the moment. Also, you can stake family. So if you provide liquidity from August 1st, so from today or yesterday, we have automated staking. So if you provide liquidity in family and ETH, I think the next 6 months, 300,000 family will be given away. So that's 50,000 family monthly to the liquidity providers. This is being paid automatically daily now. So every day, staking rewards will be into your own family wallet. So by staking, you support the family. We don't use the liquidity, but we just have it there to show that family token is important. Maybe we can in the future make profits with it and help poor people over the world. But by staking it, you get family tokens as a reward, and you can spend them here at the beach bar or in the shop or in the Discord server. So that's why we have the family token. Just check it. The Bam Bam Hotel, I will give you an update after tomorrow's meeting. You will probably like it. I cannot match the music with me anymore, because then YouTube kicks me off. So I need to use Epidemic Sound. If you find cool music on Epidemic Sound, there's an app, then just let me know. I will add it. In total we have 7. How many parasols do we have? 76 umbrellas. That's Teddy. Teddy is fucking crazy. So in total we have 70. No, we have 80 umbrellas. So we have 80 umbrellas with 2 beds. So we have about 100. I think we have about 170 beds or something like that. We did take some beds away to put some seats as well, because we want people to sit as well when they drink. That's all going okay. They are 12 euros a day for 2 beds and parasol. I see a question of Alif. Wait, Alif. Where's Alif? Alif. Ali. I hear Alif Ahmed. That one, Ahmed. Why do people pay with Bitcoin if the value of Bitcoin is going up? I don't get it. Please, can you explain? Oh yeah, I can explain. Ali, I will explain it in 2 ways. And my daughter is listening, so she understands and hears this again for the 1 million time. One thing, if you're all in, like us, there is only one way to live, and that is by spending Bitcoins. We only have Bitcoins and other coins. So for us, why would we exchange Bitcoin back to euros and then pay at a bar or at a restaurant if we can pay Bitcoins directly? So all-in people like us, we always only use Bitcoin. Now, not all-in people like you, for example, you need to consider the other way as well. So you're asking me, why would I pay in Bitcoin if the price of Bitcoin is going up? So why are you paying with euros if you could buy Bitcoin for these euros? Again, you're spending euros at a bar, but you could be buying Bitcoins because the price is going up. So why do you spend euros? Same question. So it's about mindset. People should be in Bitcoin massively, because that is giving them deflation and an increase of capital with an average of 100% a year. Everything that is in euros is inflation. You can buy less every year. Less. 1 euro gives you less coffee, less everything every year. 1 Bitcoin gives you more of everything every year. So you should be in Bitcoin and spending Bitcoin, because then your dollar cost average in and out automatically. So that is why people should be paying in Bitcoin. Yes, everybody gets salary in Bitcoin. That's my hope. That's a little bit clear, Alif. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just let me know. I can try to explain it again. But that's why people at the moment pay in Bitcoin as well, because they believe what I believe, and that is important. Okay, perfect. That is a perfect explanation. Hey, this is a very good live. So we had news, I had price information, then we have AMA, knowledge, beautiful women, a special dog, Hulk Hogan, all of that in 56 minutes. How beautiful is that? We will continue another 4 minutes, I think, and then I will join my wife for a coffee.
Gewoon heel veel shopping. Gewoon heel veel van het spul. Oh, heb je een handschoentje?
€1 be €1. Nah, yeah. It will be €1, but it will not bring you. With €1, 5 years ago you could buy one frikandel in the Netherlands. With €1 you can't buy 1/3 of a frikandel now in the Netherlands. Just check. With for example, if we do it like a bigger amount, maybe then it's more easy to understand. With 300k 5 years ago, you could buy a big house. At 300k, you can't buy anything anymore in the Netherlands. So if you would, in the past, have exchanged 300k to bitcoins, you would need less bitcoins now to buy the same house. But you would need more euros to buy the same house. So staying in euros, you can buy less. Staying in bitcoins, that's it. You can buy more and more and more. So that's how it works. I don't have a handyman with 10 times as energy as I have. I don't have that much energy, I think. Do I have? Do I have too much energy? Oh man, I don't have too much energy, do I? Oh. Chaotic energy, she calls it. Chaotic energy. Huh? Ah, it's worse. Yeah. She doesn't like the chaotic energy I have. Do you think I'm chaotic? I'm not chaotic at all. Oi. More people coming onto the beach. Kids for ice creams and lollies. Do you think Julie is working too hard? Yeah. Julie. They all think you're working too hard. Look,
Yeah, me too.
Julie is looking really sexy with her. Whoa, we get a 100. What? 100 kronen? I don't know how much that is. Or NOK. I don't know what NOK is. That's. Do you know what NOK is? NOK? N-O-K? Okay?
No.
I'm really stupid. I'm gonna check now what NOK is doing, of course. 10 NOK is €1. Wow, so he just gave us 10 euros. Oh, thank you so much for giving the 10 euros, guys. I could have calculated it very fast because it shows on my screen that I received 10 euros. Oh, good morning, Didi. Yeah, for all the people that are already seeing these commercials on YouTube, that's not us. There is a commercial, they use our face, even the kids' faces, our car, everything we did, videos, to tell you that we made 2.6 million euros with a system, with their system. This is not ours. Be aware, huge warning, they are scamming you. We don't have any relation to that company, we don't know them, they are using everything without ever asking us anything. I don't even know the company, but they are scammers and you can see them at front of other videos. They use my face, my family face, everything. Scammers, scammers, scammers. So watch out for this, please. Yes, I sent this over to cybercrime department in the police, because they can track the IPs and everything now. Because this is not funny anymore. We have requested Instagram already a few times for this verification. With all the news articles that we have worldwide, documentaries that we have made, they still say, nah, you're not eligible for a verification in Instagram. And that while there's 100 fake accounts of me, 100 fake accounts of the Bitcoin family, and people are being scammed every day. They don't want to verify me because I think they want me to pay for the verification. Because I can pay 5K now and I've been verified tomorrow, but I don't want to go that way because that's not how it should be. So that also for Twitter, they did it. Jack has never verified me. A lot of Twitter accounts are scamming people. Also in YouTube, in all the comments, it's scammers, scammers, scammers. I don't know what to do anymore about it. I hope you just understand that I would never ask you to send me money and all that stuff. So just be aware. Be aware. Very good question. A beer will cost the exchange rate of Bitcoin, because if we don't adjust according to market, we get a lot of complaints. Why? Because when Bitcoin goes up, then they say, oh, the beer is too expensive, because Bitcoin is always going up. So at the end, the beer will be always too expensive and people will always be complaining. So we chose to say the euro price, and that converted it into Bitcoin up till the time that people really understand that it doesn't matter what is the euro price, but the Satoshi price matters. Because, you know, at the end, I think euro will stop existing. All countries in the European Union will probably have a digital currency that is created by the European Union, the central bank's digital currency or something like that. It's difficult. It's difficult. A lot of scammers on Discord as well. Send me 2 BTC, you get 1 BTC back, all that stuff. Fake, fake, fake. This is not fake. She's real. Weet je jullie omzet wel en heb je een boekhouder? Omzet wel? Omzet of what? Revenue of what? Revenue of the beach bar. I don't know, we don't have revenue, we just give away everything. Look, that's exactly what I want to show the Portugal government. I'm going to tell you now what I will tell the Portuguese government when they come to the bar. I will show them this. Portuguese government, do you see this? Yes. They will say, yes, we see that there's money. And then I will tell them, do you know that I can really cheat the system by using that money? Because I don't need to show how much I receive, and I can do some stuff outside the box, and you will never know how much I received or how much tax I need to pay. And then I will show them the ledger, the transparent Bitcoin ledger that I'm showing. These payments have been done daily. And do you know, government, these payments I can never change. They are fixed on the blockchain that is unchangeable, unhackable. What would you prefer? To have beautiful insight on money that's coming in or money that's not coming in? That will be my Trojan horse into accepting Bitcoin. And then, of course, at the end, we will find out how to completely anonymously do all that stuff without them to being able to track your Bitcoins. Step 2. Oh, 64 minutes already, but we got it over 200 viewers. Hey, that's just Jolene, man. Unbelievable. Pinky is lit, Pinky lit. Sawadee Kap. Morning, Joey.
Goedbye.
Hoe ben? Yes. Liquidity providing on maandag in. Yes, Skipper, you need to go to the Discord and check the steps, because the steps, everything goes automatically now. So you follow 2 steps and then everything comes in daily. The last 2 months I haven't been paying liquidity rewards because I lost a complete overview because my team members stopped at Discord, so the mods and everything. Roll had some issues, so we can't track that completely back. I'm finding a way to still give you the rewards, but please do the 2 steps in my Discord and then it automatically will be done daily. Do I need help with meetings and management and also technical skills? At the moment not, but depending on the thing we do tomorrow, maybe yes. Tomorrow will be a big meeting and then we could chat again. It's the first live stream, we have more than 200 viewers since a long time. This is unbelievable. Wait, I will not talk, we'll just have Julie on screen, she's moving, and let's see if we get to 250 like that.
No. Makes sense. No, I don't give any massages on the beach. That's not my job. Just to be. She needs more water. Yeah, I do need more water to flush everything out. I
Unbelievable.
can't read it.
There's a shitload of chats just because Julie's in the screen, huh?
My dad got. It was kind of my dad's idea to get a tattoo, so he reacted very normal.
I forced them to do a tattoo.
He didn't force me, I wanted to, but
Show it.
I have this one, and then I have one on my hip, but I can't show it right now because
Near the flower.
it's a bit too risky for YouTube.
Shh. YouTube doesn't care about it, does it?
Yes, it does.
What does the butterfly, why do you have the butterfly?
I just got it together with my sister. It's just something we got together. It's nothing special.
Son-in-law. I don't know, Julie told me something about son-in-law needs to own 100 bitcoins.
Something like that.
The tattoos are made by Downtown Tattoo Nunen, Rocky. He's giving away a tattoo, a Bitcoin tattoo soon, and 220 views. I didn't talk. Fuck it. He's
Dat
giving
wordt
away a
druk
tattoo
opeens.
soon on the beach. You can make a tattoo on the beach soon. Kom ben. Ik ken je normaal. Ik zei het al, Willy, het ding voelt alleen maar moe.
Daughter wins again. Always. It's for the save game.
Is de helemaal nu, weet je het al?
No. It's not. Nobody said that. Ze leek meer op mama. Dankjewel.
Dat is niet waar, kijk dan.
Have you heard of zoo coins? Zoo coins? Z coins?
No. Oh, wait, that was a good question. Will you have a DJ? We should have a DJ, but we are
Yeah.
searching for a DJ. Fuku? Zuku, fuku, zuku, fuku, zuku, fuku. Baroko, toko, boko. I don't know what you're saying, Zuku. 223, you're doing a good job.
Dankjewel.
I will have her have the talking now. I will just
Why don't you
collect the
stream
fees. Huh?
on Twitch? Never did that, so I don't know.
Oh, is somebody saying about Twitch?
Yeah, when
Oh,
oh shit.
we
do
went.
that. I can't do it.
So we went to Twitch, guys, because we couldn't play music and YouTube was blocking us. But but we found music that doesn't have the rights, so we can use the music in the YouTube clip. So we love to have music on the back. It's way important in the beach bar, of course. The black bottles.
The Bitcoin bottles.
If we get 200 thumbs ups, Julie will show what's inside the black bottle. Here, hold it. But we need 200 thumbs up. Then we show.
I'm 17.
I'm 12. What? No, I'm 24. Don't
You
laugh.
wish.
Sorry, 34. I always make the decennial mistake. 34.
Ik heb
Yes,
geen
I
Duits.
got her when she was 17. No, I'm 44. 34. I'm 44. I'm from the year 78. This thing was created when I was 24.
Geestelijk 12.
Yeah, mentally I'm 11. My wife tells me I'm a kid, the fifth. Oh no, the fourth kid. Fifth kid with Teddy. Teddy's also a kid. Ooh, almost 300 thumbs up, and then we can
200.
show what is in the bottle. 200 thumbs up, then you can show the bottle. You know what keeps you young? Having puber kids. They all have crazy ideas in their head and stupid stuff. It's really going fast, huh? Who's empty? Nah, 205. You can show.
But I don't know what's called. Okay, so this is the.
Yeah, you just showed like you do it like on television.
No, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm
But
just gonna show it. Look. It's a Bitcoin bottle. And it's like,
thermal.
how do you say that?
A thermal.
Thermal bottle. So it keeps warm, drinks
cold.
warm, and cold drinks cold. And it's gold, obviously. It's cute.
Order them on. I think their website is called the Bitcoin Bottle.
Can't see it.
Something like the Bitcoin Bottle is the website. Ah, here. The Instagram and the thing. Yeah. Maybe you can see it over there now.
No, because it's a mirror. It's lopsided. No, that won't make a difference. It's lopsided.
The Bitcoin Bottle. I don't know how much they are. I think 20 euros or something, or 25 or something like that. Yeah, I have the 100k champagne at home. It's cold. It's waiting. I don't know how long we need to wait, but we still need to wait.
Wait, I can't read that fast.
This one is made on the last Bitcoin meetup by all the Bitcoin visitors of that meetup. It was the Bitcoin tribe Agave. We need to fix it here, but we don't know how. Yeah.
How warm? The water isn't that warm. It's not freezing cold, but it's also not.
Oh, it's nice now. 21.
It's still too cold.
It's
for
21.
me.
It's nice. You're beautiful. Double face tape, yeah. I forget to buy that every time again. 74 minutes, that's a long night. I'll make a coffee. Take coffee, Susan?
No. Didi, train je al?
Yes,
Every single day.
you can see how much weight I lost. Jim and I are training every day. Come work one day and you will understand how much training it is. Maak even een bolletje van mij.
Oh, comedian!
Ze blijven erom lachen.
Yeah, we're on the phone. Yes, my dad is exhausting
Ja, twee
a
nog eens,
lot
of
of
één nog eens?
times.
2 alweer, jongen. Zo, ik ga maar wel even een rekening sturen van €500.
Je bent
Voor de bedden.
Hoe heb je dat nu dan?
Nou, dat is 25 gedaan, en nu nog een stuk 25. Daar moet je allemaal nog
Gewoon niet meer zitten.
Nee. Hij heeft ook
Ik ben er om
de
9,
helft.
mijn vader om 8.
gerepareerd. Dus kijk, in feite als het
Niet doing this
ja,
alone.
dus, als het hele stuk is, moet je het helemaal doen. Dat heb hij helemaal niet gedaan. Hij heeft gewoon de auto een stukje en ook niet aangespannen, weet je. De eerste keer reageerde hij niet.
I'm 17. I don't have a boyfriend.
Dus dat is mij nog mijn autisme van de beurs. Als je niet reageert, wordt het duurder.
Dad, come back and help me, yeah.
En dan voor 2
When
euro.
you turn 18, I turn 18 dan zou je niet terug naar Nederland willen.
Ja, denk
Op
ik,
dit
ja.
moment nog niet.
Komt hier een man die zegt
It's all they want to know.
55. Nee.
Maar jij mag hem ook voor.
Nee, dat is niet meer. Dat was een one-off.
Merk je
Love from Morocco, thank you.
Man,
Does dad need looking? No. Spreek je liever Nederlands?
spreek je Nederlands? Ik kan alleen Venlo's, man.
Ik kan gewoon Nederlands.
Ik kan alleen maar Venlo's.
Do you surf? I've tried it once,
Dit kan toch niet?
but that was it.
Nee, zal ik daar een keer iets van tape verkopen om mee te willen dat je niet die spleetjes doet.
Do you love that bam bam? Sure. I love working here.
Dan krijg je het.
Surfing is only in winter
Good
time, I
morning,
think.
my
Yeah.
friend.
Just enjoying life.
Ik moet je gewoon zo zeggen.
Oh, your beds.
En dan zeg ik een cappuccino.
At night in Lagos, yeah, there are a few bars and I think one club, which is nice, but
Als je nog die cup hebt.
thank you. Have you been to the UK? Yeah, once,
Een hele been.
a few years back. Dus ik even
Aan de andere kant, Jim, ze zijn wel klein.
espresso americano.
Ja,
2 voor 1 graag.
Espresso americano.
ja, maar ik vind ze zijn wel lekker handzaam.
A big one with milk.
Gewoon doen. Maar dan doe ik het als die anderen helemaal op zijn.
Ja, van €1, weet ik wel.
Ja,
Ehm.
maar ja. Maar het is dik wel.
Sorry guys, Julie is working now and we cannot keep her off the work. She's working. It's a working day. It's getting more busy, yeah, every day. It's August, so August is the season for Portugal, August, September. So it's really good. Wow, you have a lot of questions. So do you like all the streams with the family in it, so we can do them off bar as well? Some family streams, so you can ask these questions as well, because maybe that's a good education. A nice T-shirt yesterday. I love the T-shirt. Trader Jones, he is visited the bar. He gave me the T-shirt in the video that I'm wearing yesterday, the blue Bitcoin one. Trader Jones, BTC, that one. That person gave it to me. We are using Blue Wallet mostly, and as a Lightning wallet,
No,
Moon
okay,
wallet as
okay.
well. But Blue Wallet is the most used wallet. Oh, sorry for that. The beach goers. What do you mean with beach goers? Like demanding or relaxed? The beach goers, like that. Oh, sorry. Goers, ik denk wat goers. Oh, goerster. They're all relaxed. The people are all very nice. I love the Portuguese people. They are coffee people. So like me, they love the coffee in the morning. They're very relaxed, very friendly. We don't speak Portuguese yet, so they try to help to teach us Portuguese. Sneak. Yeah, I needed to see what you meant, but I just saw it. What else, Satoshi? Yes, I checked that one as well. Also working. Even the traditional blockchains are working at the moment because the blockchain is not full. So also working. I saw you had a lot of questions for Julie. Look, I'm in front of the camera and we are dropping below 200 again. That's like not very honest. I'm gonna test this now. If she comes back before the camera and we go above 200, then I understand that what YouTube exactly is doing. Then Julie is going to have my YouTube channel. I'm leaving at 180. 180. Now Julie comes.
And I'm back. No, you need to stand here with me because sometimes you ask Bitcoin questions.
Yeah, but look how fast it goes up when you were there, man.
No, that's not
I don't
true.
like
That
it
was just-
anymore. I hate YouTube now. Julie can have my YouTube channel.
Wat een chagrijnig. Nee joh. Julie did a good job.
She was not like really friendly. But not all Portuguese people. Yes, I have the new Plus S.
You also know the Bitcoin questions, some of them.
Where you guys at?
At the beach.
Take a picture for the Instagram. Oh, my wife really doesn't know how to handle a telephone.
No, I don't know. That's my positive side.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I already took 5,
Oh.
so you can choose.
Okay. Shall we end the video for today, Julie?
I don't care. It's your life.
It's my life.
It's
It is my life.
really works. Viewers go up again.
You see? It's YouTube algorithm. Ja, is het leuk? Die ben ik te sturen. Van de YouTube. Zeker, dit is een baby net.
How's bar life? It's nice. Nothing special. It's just nice. How are you similar to your dad or mom?
Hij
Both.
zegt ik kom in het midden van de maand.
What are you going to do? I'm going to work, and then I'm going back home, swimming, eating.
Ja, dan ga ik. Everything cool, lifeguards, police.
No, I don't make TikToks.
So far. But not busy at all.
I'm partying. No, I still have to recover from the 2 weeks partying in Albufeira, so no partying for me.
Right.
I'm 17.
meisje voor mijn.
Oh, oké. Ja, gisteren had je niks toch?
Ja, gisteren had ik zelf een koffietje.
Nee, ja. Die is jouw koffieapparaat.
Nee, maar.
Zo bij hem is het een beetje de druk op gaan voeren. Nee?
You've already been streaming for 82 minutes.
Yeah. Bam Bam Beach, guys. You should come here. All come here. Jim has beautiful offers for the beds. And good drinks,
Good price, right?
best coffee, massage. All come to Portugal.
Thank you. It's really sweet. Beers? Of course. Of course there's beer.
Koffie loopt nog. De machine is.
Hope there will be served. Yeah, there will be.
Ja, die moet je. Nee, je hoeft niet wegzien.
Nee, maar alles wat... Heb je nog gebruiksaanwijzing nodig voor de mixer?
Nee, die staat onder het Jim. En hierboven, eigenlijk kan al die troep weg. Toch, kijk. Nou, wat moet er met een handleiding volgen?
Ja, daar leg je nog even van. Wacht even. Dit gaat naar achter.
What does Didi like to drink? Bacardi Cola.
Ja, wil je tijdens. Ja, dan doe je even plek leggen waar het handig is om er af te doen.
Al die handleidingen zitten toch nog uit.
Ja.
Weet ik wel niet.
Lagos, there are lovely beaches, and the city is just really nice. Like it's small.
Wel zien.
Can you recommend your life growing up like this?
Ja, precies.
Jullie bezit je ook crypto? Tuurlijk. What?
Wat?
Nothing.
Yes.
Oh, fuck. Buk net te laat.
Hulk Hogan just bumped his head. Breaking news.
But nothing is damaged.
Guys, it can be day parties, only day parties. So we can organize day parties from 12 to 7-ish, 7:30. Is there spam in the chat? Wait, where?
I didn't see it. Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
hear me? I will hide that. Okay, thanks for telling me. Guys, another 3 minutes, then we had 90 minutes. There is a diving school. Yeah, there's 2 diving schools in Lagos Center. Also surfing schools. So all good. Spam is killed. Jim is too big for the bar. Yeah, he can look. Wait, Jim. If he walks out, look how big. That doesn't fit in the door. You see? That's why he bumped his head.
Hulkamaniacs!
Guys, thanks for watching the live stream again. It's gonna be 3 minutes more, 2 minutes, and we have 90 minutes, 1.5 hour. I think it's beautiful. Then we are gonna play our favorite playlist again because the people love to hear our traditional playlist. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed Julie. Hopefully you enjoyed me. Hopefully you enjoyed Jim bumping his head, and Teddy and everything, and all the information.
NOMAD.
The live streams every day again. I will do the same. I will start with news in the morning, then the prize. So that's like 15-minute news, 15-minute prize, and then into the AMAs with using music. If people come into the stream, of course, we do something else as well. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please share it with a lot of people, all your friends, family, and loved ones, and also give it a big thumbs up. And we will see you again, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks, Grumpy, for always being there, my Venlo City brother from another mother. See you next time, guys. Yeah, I have an old laptop. I have an old laptop.
Treasures.
We can use the old laptop. Faro is a 40-minute drive. Fly to Faro, 40-minute drive. We will have a chill day. Thank you. Yes, I think she is the pearl. Beautiful
Thank you.
pearl. So we are going to say goodbye. Jim is already saying goodbye because he bumped his head. Julie is going to say goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, that face, and then again, Romain is also saying goodbye. Before we go, I can still show you Romain saying goodbye. Bye bye. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Ciao, ciao. Oh, Didi, we have 20 more seconds. 20, 19. Maybe I can show you a little bit on the beach again, so you see what kind of beautiful view we have all day here. Yes, it's beautiful over here, guys. The sea is very calm today, so probably we will have some dolphins. It's really nice. It's Beautiful place to stay. Laters. Thanks for all the thumbs ups. Ciao.